Vice Principal, Professor Mosia, Dean of the Faculty, Professor Stein, Vice Dean, Professor van der Merwe, honorary guests, graduates, family and friends, it is with humility and appreciation that I accept this honorary doctorate from the university. Let me assure you, I do not take this recognition lightly. It is with immense gratitude that I accept it, fully aware of the distinction and honor it represents. My personal journey began on a farm many years ago in KwaZulu-Natal, at a time and place very far removed from the world today. As a child, I grew up without electricity. There were few paved roads, just candles and dirt tracks that turned into mud when it rained. Now, those early experiences in my life planted a seed in me, a fascination with systems to enable mobility and connectivity between places. I graduated at this university in civil engineering many years ago in 1969. It feels like only yesterday that I was amongst you as a young graduate, yet 55 years have already passed. Back then, the award of an honorary doctorate was the last thing on my mind. So, to the university, thank you for this extraordinary honor that you bestowed upon me. Road engineering is one of the oldest disciplines in the field of engineering, dating back to antiquity. Remarkably, remnants of roads and bridges that were built more than 5,000 years ago still exist today. The field of transportation and traffic engineering, however, is a more recent discipline. Internationally, it emerged about 75 years ago with the first publications in the 1950s. Locally, however, it was a fairly unknown discipline. I first came in contact with it after I've graduated and started worked for a number of years. In the early days, transportation and traffic engineers had to leave in South Africa, had to leave to overseas countries such as the United States and Great Britain to undertake these studies. Nowadays, the subject field is available at most of the major universities in South Africa, including the University of Pretoria. You may ask, what is transportation and traffic engineering? It's much more than just the construction of roads and bridges. It is a discipline dedicated to the safe, efficient, and sustainable movement of people and goods. It is about designing systems that are aimed at reducing chaos, saving lives, and unlocking development potential. During my career, I was in a favorable position to assist in advancement of the field in South Africa, adapting international principles to our unique context, our landscapes, our cities, and our people. This was done through research and the writing of several manuals and textbooks that are now widely used throughout the country. I'm also proud to say that some of the South African research has led to significant advances in the field and has been adopted internationally in international practice and manuals. These methods are now widely being implemented globally by many countries throughout the world. However, this honorary doctorate is not just for me. It is a testimony to all my colleagues who helped build this field in South Africa over many years. Allow me to also say thanks to my wife, whose support has been the foundation on which I've built my career. Her quiet strength and unwavering belief has made all the difference. Also, my 3 daughters for enduring me over the many years. Today is a milestone in your life. To all the graduates here, my congratulations. You've earned this moment through hard work and dedications. Remember, graduations are not mere traditions, they are celebrations of your dedication and hard work. And also a gift to your parents, your family, and your friends. My advice to you is simple. Never lose your capacity to learn. The world will keep changing faster than ever, and lifelong learning will be necessary to carry you forward. Develop new skills, embrace new challenges, and shape the future as boldly as you can. Once again to the university, I thank you sincerely for this honor. It is one of the greatest days of my life, which I will remember forever and remain thankful and grateful. Thank you.